Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin with the crust so the filling has a firm base. Mix 200 g graham crumbs, 80 g melted butter, and 2 tablespoons sugar until moist. Press evenly into a 9 springform pan, pressing up the sides 1/4 inch. Once done, chill the crust 20 to 30 minutes while you preheat the oven to 175 degrees. Make sure to line the outside with foil if you plan a water bath. This prevents leaks and promotes even baking. Move quickly to keep crumbs compact. You'll tackle the filling now. Beat 900 g room temperature cream cheese until very smooth to avoid lumps. Then add 200 g sugar gradually for even dissolution. Once smooth, add 3 eggs one at a time so the batter stays aerated. Then fold in 1 tsp vanilla and 2 tablespoons sour cream to improve texture and prevent cracking. Pour into the chilled crust and bake in a water bath at 160 to 175 degrees for 50 to 65 minutes. Once done, you'll finish by controlling cooling and setting. Immediately turn off the oven and crack the door, leaving the cheesecake inside 1 hour to cool gradually. That step reduces shrinkage and cracking. After that, chill the cake at least 6 hours or overnight for the proper dense, creamy texture. Make sure to run a thin knife around the edge before releasing the springform. If you get small cracks, spread a thin sour cream glaze or chill and serve slices without fuss. Texture remains fine and flavor is unaffected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.